So we're at an Airbnb here, and I just want to show you all what it looks like. So here we have the little table at the entryway. Cute. It's the details for me. Huh? I vlogging, boo. Huh? So I vlogging. Why did you say something like that? I say it's the details for me. Talking to the peeps. We just have our bags here. It's a TV, some cute lights, a curtain that leads to the kitchen and the bathroom, some artwork, cute little basket and decorations up here, full length mirror. This is also armoire. So we have some stuff in here already. And this is a bed that converts into a couch. So I'll show you all the kitchen area and the bathroom area. So here you have where you leave cute little notes to the host. And this is what the kitchen looks like. So small, but have all the essentials. That's the refrigerator. And then on this side we have the bathroom. Yeah, toilet, hair dryer, shower, mirror, sink, and I think our towels are in there. So pretty cute and quaint. We brought some pastries with us. And Darian's connecting to the internet now, it looks like. So yeah, that's how everything looks.
These are some stuff that I grabbed last night from a convenience store. Tomatoes, garlic, onion, potato, some apple cider vinegar to clean some meat or for salad dressing, some cannellini beans, oil, mushrooms, noodles, and some local peppers. And then I got some meat from a butcher shop. I got this, says ham slanina John. Not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly. And it was 317 dinar, which is $3.30. And it's smoked barbecued pork belly. So you can cut this up and flavor some rice with it if you want. You can caramelize it with, toast it in a pan and caramelize it with some sugars, and that'll be a nice little treat. And or you can just cook it and eat it like lardons. Smells really good. So like I said, she said this is smoked barbecued pork belly. I'm just gonna try a piece. It is fully cooked, so you're good to go. Wow. The flavor is really good. The nice mesquite charcoal taste. So some whole chicken wings, 155 dinars, which is $1.60. Then they got 2 chicken thighs. This was 140 dinars and it's 144 USD.